Welcome to a video about Faster 545 SC. My name is Christopher and I'm gonna give you a short guide on this boat. Faster 545 SC is a boat fully made out of welded aluminium. We make them by hand in Kellokoski in Finland. This Faster is registered for up to 8 persons or 730 kilos payload. The engine recommendation is from 80 up to 100 horsepower and the boat has an integrated gasoline tank of 100 liters. What makes this little Faster boat special is it has side consoles, ample space in the aft, but foremost it has an electrically operated bow ramp in the front. On this bow ramp you have 90 centimeters freeway in the front, so it's very easy to get a push cart or heavy material on board the boat, or why not use it for your diving adventures. Quick attachment rails go on the side so you can customize your boat according to your own special needs. If you find this boat interesting to you, please go into our website www.fasterboats.fi or contact your nearest dealer for a test drive. This is a boat for the rest of your life. Thank you for watching and have a good day.